Are you looking for the best palm sander? In this video, we will break down the top 7 palm sanders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Makita BO 4556K Finishing Sander. With a total weight of 7.2 pounds, the Makita BO 4556K is the heaviest unit on our list, but also one of the best hand sander in the market. The impressive 14,000 OPM speed is what makes it one of the top units, and its 2.0 amp motor is what makes this possible. This palm sander features an all-bearing construction with precision engineering to reduce noise and vibrations, and a large clamping lever that makes the paper change fast and easy. Also, it has a rubberized grip with a unique contour that improves operator control and comfort. Makita BO 4556K has a through-the-pad system for collecting dust to ensure that you always keep the work environment clean. Lastly, the switch is in a convenient location to make one-handed operation possible, and it has a rubber seal to prevent dust contamination. At number 2. Dewalt DWE 6411K Palm Sander. This product got the position on our list by being comfortable, powerful, and easy to use. The 3.2 amp motor allows the tool to reach up to 14,000 OPM, giving users the power to tackle a wide range of jobs. We also appreciate the clever design. The DWE 6411K manages to be rugged enough to survive heavy use, but also comfortable enough to be used for many hours at a time. Last but not least, it features a heavy-duty paper clamp that will keep your sanding material secure while you work. At number 3. Black+decker Electric Sander. This Black+decker palm sander is the most powerful option present in this list because of its highly efficient electric motor. Even though it uses a very common electric motor in terms of the power rating at 2 amps, you get a high orbit speed of 16,000 OPM. Since this is much higher than most other options, this palm sander makes for a great option as an industrial power tool. Another great thing about Black+decker is that it offers a 2-year-long warranty to the user. Although, the build quality offered by this palm sander could have been much better than what it offers to the user. While it is not the most reliable option, it is certainly quite compact and small, which is always great to have. At number 4. Dewalt D26441 Palm Grip Sander. This premium grade 1/4 sheet sander features a powerful 2.4 amp motor which sands at the rate of 14,000 orbits per minute. With such power and speed, this machine guarantees to give you a smooth and elegant finish in no time despite the job you throw at it. Also, changing the sander sheets is a snap and holds them solidly. Therefore, if you are handling a huge sanding project, this model should save you time. The sander features a dust-sealed switch which prevents dust penetration to prolong the service life of the switch. The roomy dust bag eliminates mess, while the built-in vacuum adapter ensures maximum dust collection. Dewalt D26441 comes with a low vibration design that minimizes vibration and user fatigue. The textured anti-slip top steps up the ergonomics, while the body grip provides superior comfort to the user. At number 5. Skil 729202 Palm Sander. As you shop for the best palm sander for wood, your budget is always a key concern. Hence, a more budget-friendly model like the Skil 729202 will be a good buy for most woodworkers. And this is more so for those looking for the 1/4 inch sanders. Besides being a more pocket-friendly sander, it is also quite powerful as it runs on a 2.0 amp motor that delivers up to 14,000 OPM for fast sanding. There is also a highly efficient dust management system on the palm sander that combines microfiltration, built-in vacuum adapter, and a clear-view dust canister. When using this Skil sander, you will also not need to worry about applying too much pressure and ruining your workpiece, as it has a highly useful pressure control technology. And it is also more comfortable and easy to handle thanks to the soft grip design. The clips used to secure the sandpaper can make paper installation tricky as they seem a little too delicate and not very secure, but as you use the sander more and more you should be able to figure out how to best handle them for an easier time. At number 6. Bosch GSS 20-40 Finishing Sander. One of the favorite features of this model pertains to one material in particular, the precision machined aluminum sanding plate. Many similar finishing sanders opt for foam and plastic sanding pad that can wear down over time and cause inconsistencies as an uneven pad surface develops. Users looking for a true finishing sander with uncompromised precision will appreciate the GSS 20-40. Two more features worth mentioning are the large dust collection canister with screw-off cap for easy emptying, and the compact but tacky grip. At 5/3/4 it's not quite as small as the Dewalt in terms of height, but a narrow grip design also lends itself to increased maneuverability in those hard-to-reach areas. At number 7. Black+decker Random Orbit Sander. This compact sander from Black+decker provides any piece of wood with a rigorous finish. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver. Plus, the tool is lightweight, so you can carry it to your workplace without much effort. Storing it is even more convenient as it takes up only a small amount of space. It handles like a dream because of its compact design and effortless orbital action. Moreover, due to its small size, it makes it easier for you to control the pressure you exert. Putting too much pressure can cause you to form dents on the furniture and ruin it. This sander is gentle on the wood and requires less effort to make any old furniture look as good as new. It's also very budget-friendly and easy to use. Therefore, it's mostly ideal for beginners delving into the carpentry hobby. Another important feature is the dust-sealed switch. Black+decker has always been keen on making their models long-lasting.